Hello everyone, welcome back to the last ordinary Lolita weekly vlog for this year. This is a collection of days from mid-October to the end of November. So you're going to be seeing some Halloween as well as a hint of Christmas. So grab a warm drink and let's get started. For the first coordinate, I am heading off for a spooky mini golf meetup, and of course I have to wear Alice in the Pirates Tricky Nightmare Factory because it is the perfect Halloween print. I paired it with my current favorite ivory blouse from Baby the Starshine Bright, and I really have been loving these diamond socks, also from Alice in the Pirates. It's a really cute casual coordinate. Since the mini golf place doesn't open till noon, we decided to go get some cinnamon buns at a place halfway across the town from a place called Lift Me Up Bakery. It's super cute on the inside and it has a really good selection of baked goods, but this place is really well known for their loaded cinnamon bun. Both were very, very good. And I'll hopefully be back for another cinnamon bun because they were so good. And of course for mini golf we went to Monster Mini Golf because that is very on theme for Halloween. This is definitely one of our favorite places to go for mini golfing. The decor is really kitschy and fun, and the courses are quite easy to run through as well. I personally really like this one because they have some fun Halloween facts on all of the columns and poles. And yeah, mini golfing is always such a good time. If you haven't done a mini golf meetup, I highly recommend it. Alright, afterwards we headed off to a bubble tea shop just to chit chat a little bit more and have some really good bubble tea. Alright, for coordinate number 2, I'm hosting the Mummy movie night at my house, and I decided to go for a black cat style coordinate. Not gonna lie, I forgot which JSK this is, but it is from AP, and it is a really cute lacy JSK. I really love how there's a little bit of lace overhang at the bottom hem. It's super cute, and of course, with the black cat hair accessory from Alice in the Pirates, this really brings that black cat theme to life. Take a peek at my super cute nickel kumya brooch that I decided to wear as well.
Hello!
Hello! Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are going to be making some apple spiced cake mummy for tonight's movie viewing. Yay! Okay, there's lots to do, so let's get started. Not gonna lie, I don't think this recipe was the greatest. I wanted a little bit more apple and a little bit more cinnamon, so that's definitely something that I'm going to incorporate in more next time. But please enjoy this montage of baking this cake. Along with the cake, I made some pizza as well. I decorated them like little faces, and that was super cute. I did hand make the dough, so I was feeling very proud of myself. And I was also really proud of my little Parmesan ghost buns. They turned out super cute. And movie night was such a fun time that I did not film an outro. Moving on to coordinate number 3, we're going to be heading off to the antique mall for a cute little Halloween scavenger hunt that I made. Of course, since we're going to the antique store, I have to wear Meta's antique bouquet series. This is perfect for the antiques. And I paired this coordinate with a base of navy, and it's a cute classic coordinate that I really like. Alright, let's head off to the antique mall. The day was really cloudy, but that just means it's perfect for the indoor antique mall. I have showcased the old Strathcona Antique Mall before, and it's definitely one of the best antique stores to go to in Edmonton. So I always highly recommend those who are stopping by Edmonton to stop by this place just to take a look at all of the antiques. As I mentioned before, I created a cute little scavenger hunt sheet so that we can hunt for items and take pictures of them, just for an added layer of fun. So yeah, it's always a really fun time looking through the antique stores. And then afterwards, we headed off to have some Vietnamese food because I definitely wanted some really hot soup. You definitely can't go wrong with pho. Alright, for coordinate number 4, I'm heading off to Becky's house for a repair session. This is the coordinate that I chose for the day. It is a very simple, basic one with the longest name, JSK, from Baby the Star Shine Bright. This print is called Fall in Love with the Sweet Scent of Perfume, JSK. And I really like this one because it does have a really interesting boat neck design. And the bright pops of hot pink is definitely something that you don't really see all that often with modern prints. My necklace is a ghost cat-eared one from Q-Pot that really doesn't match with the theme, but I really wanted to wear it, so I did. And it's okay. Not everything really has to match. Today I actually have a day off and I'm going to be spending my day at Becky's house and we're going to be fixing up some of my pieces. The main thing that I actually want to get fixed today is my Holy Night story. As you can see, the elastics in the arm sleeves are actually shot, so we're hopefully going to be replacing them and it'll look good as new, and then I can wear this dress during the holiday season. The other two pieces that I will hopefully be fixing up as well is the Cat Gobelin JSK from Moss Badger. The straps are a little too long for me, so I actually need to sew in some more buttonholes to be able to adjust the strap a little further for me. And the same issue also goes for Dream Bear series as well, except this one the straps are actually a little too short. So there's actually a little bit more fabric left that I'm going to make a little buttonhole here for as well. Now I don't know if we have enough time for these guys, but these guys are actually fabric swatches that I have purchased from Mercari. They are all Baby the Starshine Bright prints. I have 2 of the Kumia's Holy Night series and then all 5 colorways of the Alice Dollhouse series. I'm just gonna pop open one of the Alice Dollhouse panels here to show you. So somebody on Mercari was selling these fabric swatches. I think they used to work at Baby because I don't think you can really get these fabric swatches unless you work there. Oh, that's upside down. This is what the panel looks like. It's quite big. I wasn't planning on doing anything with these sorts of fabric swatches. I was just going to finish up the raw edges and use them as like little placemats. For these ones, you can definitely make like little Kumia clothes out of them if you wanted, but I wanted to keep these just for the prints itself because they are so beautiful. But finishing the edges of all these fabric swatches is really more of a side quest that I don't really have to do at Becky's, but if we do, that would be great. If not, that's fine too. I can do it on my own as well. So I'm gonna pack up these pieces and then let's head off to Becky's house. Up, let's go. A really special thanks to Becky for helping me fix my items. She's got such a wealth of knowledge when it comes to repairs, and I'm glad that I get to learn a few things along the way as well. So thank you, Becky. Really appreciate you. It's a little small, but it's okay. No, yeah, there we go. Nice. Yeah. Yay. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Wait, is that stretched out though? Yeah. Alright, for coordinate number 5, I am going to be staying home and reading a new zine. Now, since I'm staying at home, I am going to be wearing something super cute and casual. This is the AP Dream Bear JSK that Becky just fixed in the previous clip of this video. As you can see, it fits where I want it to fit, and I'm really happy with how this coordinate turned out. Even though it is basic and simple, it's a solid everyday sort of casual coordinate. Hello! I finally received my copy of a Raschel magazine. I feel like I waited a little too long to receive this, and it's a little anticlimactic. But I wanted to flip through a few pages. I really love that zines are a thing and that the whole community really comes together to create these sorts of amazing physical media. So I'm really excited to dig into this. And to preserve the work, I'm just going to show a couple pages. So for this physical zine itself, if you are interested in getting one, it is still available on the Etsy page, I believe. I will leave it linked in the description box down below. There's also a PDF online version that you can access as well. I'm really looking forward to the event report for The Queen is Dead in Manchester last year. I really wanted to attend, but going across the pond is really, really hard. I will live vicariously through the images that is available in the zine. Alright, just gonna pop open a couple pages in the zine to show you guys. Alright, please excuse how my copy looks. The postal people were not very kind. So let's just pop this open to the welcome page. This was all finished in August of 2025. Here are the contents. As you can see, there's a main focus on the Manchester UK event. The Queen is Dead. There were a lot of contributors that are really well known within our Lolita community. Like, I really, really love Jenna and Paulina, and Caitlin illustrations is great. All of these contributors are amazing writers and artists that I'm really glad are featured in this scene. Look at this amazing photo of the Queen is Dead group shot. Oh, that looks so amazing and fun. Wish I was there. So this is the community page, and look, it's me. This is me with all of my curses. At that time, I have more now. I see a few of my mutuals, which I'm really happy to see. And here's a gorgeous back cover illustration. So that's just a quick look. I really think that zines and physical media are really important to Lolita fashion, and it's really nice to have a physical copy of something that fellow Lolita has worked on for over a year and brought into fruition. You can help uplift the Lolita community by supporting your local creators, as well as engaging in their content in whatever format that they put out, such as these zines or photos on Instagram, even YouTube content like this one. So that's gonna be it for this portion of the vlog. I will see you guys in the next clip. Bye for now! Alright, for coordinate number 6, wearing another piece that was fixed by Becky, and this is the Moss Badger Cat Goblin JSK. Once again, this bodice is fitting where I want it to fit, and I really wanted to pair brown with black, and I think this coordinate really turned out cute. I do have some new boots from Chalmier that I'm trying out, and I am not 100% sold on it, but it looks cute and is appropriate for Lolita's. It does match the rest of my browns pretty well, so I am happy with the boot purchase. For this day, I actually had just headed out for some food and a little bit of Christmas shopping. As you can see, I went with my sister and we went to one of our favorite Korean restaurants because I had a craving for some gopchang or intestine, and we got it in the soup format at this place. My sister can't resist the seafood pajeon, and then we also got the kalguksu as well. Eating Korean food is always so filling. And then afterwards we headed off to Michael's, and I always take a look at the cute little Christmas ornament. There are some really weird ones this year, but some of them are pretty cool. I was actually after some ribbon because I wanted to make a few headdresses, but not a lot of ribbon choices that I was happy about. So I settled on just one fuzzy sort of ribbon that I'm hoping to make into a headdress. Alright, for the last corner, I'm going to be attempting to make some bread. So I went for my classic Polychrome Goods sweater, Life is Pain au Chocolat, and I paired it with the baby Kira Kira Halloween sweet skirt. And I gotta say, that milk beret that I got at the beginning of the year is really cute. The bright blue really matches so well, and it just makes everything look so cohesive and good. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some shiopan or salt bread because my sister has just been sending me all of these recipes, and I'm taking that as a hint that I need to make salt bread for her. So that's what we're going to be doing today. As a disclaimer, once again, I am not a baker. However, I am always looking to upgrade my skill. So I'm going to be trying out today. We'll see how it goes. Even if it turns out terrible, I'm pretty sure the combination of butter, bread, and salt will not go wrong. Hopefully. Since it is bread, there needs to be time for it to sit and rise. So let's get started right away. Milk, 1 cup, warm up. I hope you don't die. It's not the greatest looking, but I am very tired of kneading, so we're gonna leave this to rest for an hour. They may not be the prettiest things, but they're done. On the left-hand side, we have the cheese wrapped ones because I ran out of butter. And then on the right, we have the actual butter wrapped ones. Now we're just gonna wait for it to sit for half an hour and then we'll put it in the oven. Pretty tasty. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Not bad. Let's give it a go. Tastes like really good buttered bread. So despite the shapes not looking the greatest, it is still very delicious and I would call this a success. So with that, that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching the Lolita vlogs for this year. This is going to be the last one before I start the Vlogmas series. I really appreciate everybody who has watched and left comments for me throughout this whole series this year. I think it's been really fun to just create content around a whole year of my life in Lolita fashion. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! And that is all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!